Boiled eggs are one of the most nutritious and convenient foods available. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Here are the top 6 health benefits of eating boiled eggs. 1. Excellent source of high-quality protein. Boiled eggs are rich in protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes, and maintaining muscle mass. A single boiled egg contains approximately 6 grams of protein, making it a great option for anyone looking to increase their protein intake. 2. Supports brain health. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain function and development. Choline helps in the formation of neurotransmitters that support memory, mood, and overall cognitive function. Consuming boiled eggs regularly can help improve focus and brain health. 3. Promotes heart health. Contrary to past misconceptions, moderate egg consumption does not negatively impact heart health. In fact, eggs contain healthy fats and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, eggs help raise levels of good HDL cholesterol, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. 4. Aids in weight management. Boiled eggs are low in calories but high in protein and healthy fats, which help keep you full longer. This can prevent overeating and reduce cravings, making them a perfect food for those looking to manage or lose weight. Their high satiety index ensures you stay satisfied for extended periods. 5. Supports eye health. Eggs are a rich source of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These compounds help filter harmful blue light and prevent oxidative damage to the retina, promoting long-term eye health. 6. Strengthens bones and boosts immunity. Boiled eggs contain vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone health. Additionally, eggs are packed with essential minerals such as zinc and selenium, which support a strong immune system, helping the body fight infections and illnesses. Incorporating boiled eggs into your daily diet can provide numerous health benefits, from supporting brain and heart health to promoting strong bones and weight management. Their rich nutritional profile makes them a superfood worth adding to any meal plan. Enjoy them as a quick snack, in salads, or as part of a balanced breakfast to maximize their benefits.